Because I'm here, so you can't talk shit.
Okay, I resolved to just recording.
Like, not awkward around our entire family. Like, we were always just like, yeah, I'm so cool, I hate everything, and it's so awesome. New Year's is such a lame holiday, it's so lame, everything
What?
with me is lame. I'm not gonna celebrate with you with a lame, lame. And Alex was like, I'm an emo photographer, and I'm gonna take pictures of your cat and your ass. I'm gonna
Take pictures of Finny.
I don't know. He's like, yeah, I just want to pursue my career, and
He sounds
I
really
think
gay
that
by
it's
your accent.